Hi, I'm Andrew, CTO of Sourcetable, and welcome to the future of trading. I, like many people, have been extraordinarily reticent to get into trading and investing, and I used to work at a hedge fund, so take it from me, it can be a kind of a big deal and exciting at the same time. And so what we've done is we've created a monster. We've created this hybrid of a hedge fund inside a spreadsheet. And you know how to use a spreadsheet, right? Well, we've basically put an entire platform of algorithmic traders, risk specialists, you can name it, all inside a spreadsheet. And so what does that look like? It looks like this. So we're Sourcetable, and this is the world's first AI spreadsheet. We've been around for a little while, and we're just in the process of going more public with it and sharing what we're doing. So this is one of my first presentations, and I'd like to just introduce you to what we can do. So you can import any kind of data into Sourcetable. So we can connect to any service online or database. We can do fantastic charts, as you can see here, and we can generate amazing technical and sophisticated investment reports. So this is Monte Carlo. This is an example of Monte Carlo, which is a simulation. And so what I'm doing here is I'm taking a look at the expected outcomes and values of a particular stock and investments over time. And so that's extraordinarily easy to use. You can just literally make a selection of your data, and you can say, hey, please tell me what this might look like, and what are my risks, what are my upsides. We can also use the Sharpe ratio, and remember there's literally thousands of things you can do. I'm just showing you a few. So the Sharpe ratio helps you understand also what your risks are when you're going to make an investment and whether it's worth investing in. Value at risk is also another popular one. So you can basically see what something might look like in the future, and you can also backtest your ideas here. And so we're going to click on a chart, and you can see month on month, and you can also see kind of real-time backtesting, and you can see where things might go awry. Golden Cross is something we support, and we support many other technical trades and trading systems for those who are interested in the more technical analysis. We do macro analysis as well, and we also do options and futures analyses. So if you're interested in learning more about the Black-Scholes algorithm, this is an example of a volatility curve and surface. We can do that in a matter of moments. So yeah, you should definitely test us out. Holy Grail is another really fantastic one, and this is one that I think I'll be adopting myself. The Holy Grail is this technique from Ray Dalio. What it does is it creates a spread, so even in times of economic uncertainty, you can spread your risk between, just say, things like property, which might maybe not go down during a recession, and you can see there that I don't know, there was an insider trading warning for investing in Apple, and so Apple was on my list this week, and it also gave me that information too. You can talk to a database. So if you do have your own data, you can bring it into Sourcetable, and then you can combine that with potentially different public data sets. So if you've got something like that you would like to compare against Coinbase or any other kind of platform, you can definitely use it here. Robinhood is something that I'm personally very excited about. It allows you to basically connect to Robinhood, and using a very secure method of cryptography that we have, it's triply encrypted, so it's going to be extraordinarily safe for you. So we don't even get to use the keys until you let us use them. But what that allows you to do, if you do connect to things like that, is you can actually make and execute trades directly in the platform. So, which is I'm very excited by this one, and you should definitely give it a try. I'm very excited to share it, and I'm very excited that everybody in the world will have something that's accessible to help them invest and reduce their risk in making bad financial decisions. And so, yeah, I'm very excited, and please try it out.